Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com, as well as your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Wednesday morning forecast update. Our temperatures will span a pretty wide range today. We'll start out in the 40s here, so jacket weather and cold weather this morning, but we'll turn into some t-shirt weather this afternoon as highs headed for the mid-70s. Definitely very spring-like today. Just a light breeze, and we should see mostly sunny skies and the occasional batch of clouds moving through like we saw yesterday, but just a very enjoyable day for us as we should enjoy those comfortable temperatures from about, I would say, 10 a.m. through the entire afternoon. So pretty good slice of the day. We'll be enjoying that great weather. We are starting out cold. We're in the 30s and 40s here, so you'll probably want long sleeves this morning, and not much wind, and the wind should stay below 10 miles per hour again today, but it is a south breeze with that sunshine pushing our highs into the mid-70s, exactly about 10 degrees above average today. And this is what we'll continue to see through the weekend, is high pressure just kind of keeping us on the warm side today. You can see a few of the clouds that are passing through this morning. There's a little weather disturbance there in New Mexico, as well as the panhandle of Texas, which has kicked up some rainfall. Just too dry here to see any of that rain make its way in, but some of the clouds blowing off of that system are what's giving us that partly cloudy look at times today. So just going through time on your Robin's-Toyota Futurecast, not a ton to see here, but you can see a few of those clouds just passing through this afternoon. So hopefully, like yesterday, that will give us just a pretty sunrise and sunset. There will definitely not be any rain out there today or tomorrow. Should be another very enjoyable weather day Thursday, in your high temperatures tomorrow winding up in the mid, even upper 70s. I think tomorrow will be the day may begin to see some 80-degree highs as the high temperatures have been running a few degrees above what is forecast, so I don't think it's out of the question. We can see a few areas maybe even close to 80 this afternoon as well. We continue to monitor that chance for rainfall, especially late in the weekend, so if you're doing some things outside this weekend, still have that warm front forecast to come through on Saturday, so it will be warm, and what that warm front will do is just kind of introduce a lot of humidity into the weather pattern as well, so you'll feel the humidity this weekend with highs in the 80s. Slight chance that will result in some rain on Saturday, but again, this warm front kind of stalls just north of us, and then some cold air. You can see the blue arrows on the map will start to push this front south late Sunday into early Monday, so we are expecting a few scattered showers and storms, especially I-30 corridor, maybe Sunday night into Monday morning. Right now, the severe weather threat, I will say, is kind of undetermined, but given that we will warm to about 80 degrees on Sunday, that warm air does contribute to some of those strong storms, so it is possible we could see maybe a little window here for severe weather perhaps Sunday night into early Monday, so we'll keep you posted on that in the upcoming days. This front will stall south of us on Tuesday, so I still think, even though Futurecast isn't showing it, we could see some rain on Tuesday, but this front will come back and I think give us a better chance of rain perhaps next Wednesday through Friday. So next week is setting up to be rainy as well as cooler, so the warm weather just temporary for the time being, as we'll go all the way to 82 ahead of that front on Sunday, and by next Tuesday our highs cooling into the 50s and likely staying in the 50s and 60s for much of next week.